nice to see that you pretend. Take care of all my children, making sure they stand on 10. Your daddy wasn't there, but I would never leave again. Ink all on my skin, I just cancel 9 to 5s. Play chess with my contestants, boy you wise, boy you wise. Cause lies that I'm someone they despise. I come through, I be dripping like a cry, that's no lie. 2 times. Our murder rate is like Chicago. We live in fast, mercy liable. There's no tomorrow, boys, I know.
What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have the reverse infrared Salesman. Go crazy for the shoe, y'all. This shoe kind of mid though. But before we get started, I have to shout out these hydrangeas tins. We will be doing a video on this, so make sure y'all stay tuned for this video. Also, we have the Deion Sanders Diamond Turf 2s out. Make sure y'all go watch that video. Also have the Bronx Girl Skate video out. Make sure y'all go watch that. And we have the Valentine's Day 4 video, so make sure y'all go watch that as well. We still on the road to 10K subscribers by December 31st, so make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing the page. I appreciate the love, for sure. This is the box. The size tag reads black and LT crimson. Cardboard style box. Then we have the Jumpman. Red Jumpman. So this shoe is kind of made towards like a sample. They didn't get the actual Jordan box. So this is a cardboard box. It has some red writing all around. Also comes with this on the inside. This is a sample tag. It's not filled out. Then it has the trash bag paper. It's also double wrapped. Again, these are the reverse infrareds. These are coming out to celebrate the Air Jordan 6 35th anniversary. It's also coming out on Valentine's Day and All-Star Weekend. The infrareds did drop in 1991. He wore it then, it didn't drop, but it did drop in 1991. So yeah, this is a sample pair from 1999, and now they're dropping in 2026 for Valentine's Day, All-Star Weekend, and the Air Jordan 6 35th anniversary. I'm not sure if this is the shoe to kick off the 35th anniversary, but nonetheless, this is what we got. So, as you can see, we have some cheap nubuck material. Very cheap material all around the shoe, and I feel like it's gonna get caught, like some lint and little pieces of dust is gonna get caught on this shoe easily. We have the midsole here, red midsole. Also have a air unit here, and then on the bottom of the shoe, it's a translucent bottom, ice blue translucent bottom. On the back, we have Nike Air in red. Got black laces, a red embroidered Jumpman, and then we have this lace lock right here. On the inside of the shoe, what I was talking about earlier, we have this sample tag here. Then on the inside, it says Jordan property, not for resale. So yeah, it says Jordan property, not for resale. This is the tongue, rubber tongue, and then on the back, it's a different material. This is the sock lining here. They say they did make this shoe, specifically the heel. It's supposed to be better material to support the Achilles a lot better, and it's not supposed to irritate the Achilles, but we'll see. They did say the materials on this shoe is supposed to be better in regards to the heel and the midsole and the air unit. I'm gonna show y'all the other one. Same details on the inside. One detail that I missed, there is a Jumpman on the bottom, along with the translucent bottom and the black on the bottom. It's not as icy blue as the last couple releases. The shoe is a bit different, but this is the reverse infrared, and this is a sample, so it is different. So this sample from 1999 finally got its day, and it came at a iconic time: All-Star Weekend, Valentine's Day, and the 35th anniversary Air Jordan 6 shoe. I feel like this is getting a lot of love and heat based on the dates, but I just think it's a mid shoe. Like, I don't know if it's gonna sell out, but I mean, it is dropping on Valentine's Day, so it's possible. So the demand is there, and I just wish they kind of would have dropped it a few days before Valentine's Day, so people that order it online or go in the store and buy it have some time. They don't have to buy it on the actual holiday. But they do have the Valentine's Day 4s that's coming on the 7th, and along with many other shoes, the Dion's is also dropping on the 7th as well. So there's a lot of options to choose from. That's why I say I'm not sure if it's a definite sell out, but the demand is definitely there for these reverse infrared Salesmen. This is a full family sizing. The men's pair is about 215, and I'm gonna show y'all the toddler. I don't have a grade school or a preschool. On the tongue, it says Jordan with the Jumpman. It's different. The bottom is not icy, it's white. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, these are dropping February 14th, and on Valentine's Day, these are the reverse infrared Salesmen. So if y'all like these and y'all want to go cop, make sure y'all go cop. Let me know in the comments if y'all do, or if y'all don't, what shoe are y'all copying in replace of these infrared 6s. We do have the 10s coming out 2 days before. I don't really think these gonna sell out. This is definitely like an Easter shoe. This is not giving Valentine's Day. And then they also, like I said, they have other shoes coming out. So it's just a very crowded month, and I don't know how well these are gonna do. Let me know in the comments how well do y'all think these shoes are gonna do. And this pretty much wraps up the video. This has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And before I close it out, stay tuned for this Hydrangeas 10 review, the actual pair or the versus the mock-ups, because the mock-ups were very different. But
when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voicemail, I don't need a list to see that you pretend. Take care of all my children, making sure they stand on 10. Your daddy wasn't there, but I would never leave again. Ink all on my skin, I just cancel 9 to 5s. Play chess with my contestants, boy you wise, boy you wise. That I'm someone they despise. I come through, I be dripping like a cry, that's no lie.